Hi everyone, welcome to our Friday fashion show, 5 outfits, 5 minutes. We are showcasing Cottonways and Prairie Cotton. Today I'm wearing a really comfortable gauze top, Cottonways. They do really cute details. You can see the buttons here along the collar, and they have some cute buttons on the side slit. And then if you pan down to my pants, they have these cute little just showcase your sandals. Another little item that we're giving you a little sneak peek is we're doing a trunk show coming up with Ficklesticks, artists from Arkansas. Really fun colors, adds pop of color to any outfit, a little personality. So this is a cute little top for the summer. Show your guns, or not, just a nice little cover up. And Chris is here with her outfit. Real quick, sorry. Pants also come in this really deep teal, really beautiful. I will tell you, they're super comfortable. And Chris will tell you more about them.
I really like wearing nothing at all. These pants are extremely comfortable. I'm wearing my little top, and my pants are the Cottonways, the same pants that Greta had on. These come in a 0 to 4 sizing. And I happen to be wearing the size 2, as is Greta. So, you know, the gauze is, it's a stretchy gauze, extremely comfortable. This little jacket is a wonderful thing to throw in your purse and take with you everywhere. You know, we've all been out for dinner where the air conditioning has been too cold. We've all had Chicago weather sneak up on us, and then it's cold all of a sudden. So then you have a little cover up. I'm wearing it over a great little tank. A little nicer than a regular old tank. It's a gorgeous robin egg blue, and it's got stripes, variegated stripes in grays and black running through it vertically, which I always think is slimming. Humor me if you don't think so. And then it's got this great cutout. So, and this top also comes in white. So you have it for everything you need all summer long.
Okay, mint, fresh mint color tunic. It is just a great length, nice quarter sleeve, has a little slit detail. You come in, you can see a little bit of the contrast that they put on here with the, it's a little bit different fabric. Just really a nice little touch, something a little different. I put my Ficklesticks as a bracelet. Again, a little sneak peek to what's coming up, and I also use this as a necklace, which is just nice and fun, good piece. This top also comes in white, which everyone loves a nice white top for summer. It's absolutely perfect. We have some guests, but that's okay because the store is open for business. And for the white, you can wear this with anything. You can even wear it with some shorts, capris, anything like that. Chris has a great dress coming up.
This is one of those throw it on and go dresses. I love it because it's actually brown and white stripes of various different flattering directions. But it's so comfortable and easy to care for. You know, wear it to the grocery store. You are guaranteed to get a wink from the butcher, I promise. All right, wear it when you come shopping here. Wear it when you go to the Thursday farmer's market down the block, and then come here. Okay, but it's this great top. If you wanted, you could probably use it as a nice swimsuit cover-up. But I would prefer to wear it like 4 days a week, just throwing it on, running around town, doing my chores, looking good, feeling good. Okay.
Speaking of throwing something on, this is kind of a must-have for the summer. Throw this little jumper on, it's cute. They got these big pockets in the front. It's a great size tunic. It's one size fits most, so hey, everybody try it on. It's this really fun little piece. You can throw a t-shirt underneath there if you want. And you can use it as a swimsuit cover-up too. So, all right, so come on in, Chris, and thanks for watching the fashion show. We have LaGrange has the carnival coming up this weekend. Chris is gonna be first in line at the Tilt-A-Whirl.
She's not. She's not.
We also have our chair outside.
Yep.
Come and sit and visit us. See you soon.
Bye-bye.